Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're noticing you're scrolling on your Windows computer with your mouse appears to be infinite or just automatically scrolling by itself. So the first things you do is to unplug your mouse and plug it back in if you're using external plug and play mouse. So the first things you do is to unplug your mouse and plug it back in if you're using external plug and play mouse, and see if the problem is solved. But if not, then try this other method. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to change your mouse settings. So all you have to do is to right click on the Windows Start button and then select the settings. So once you open up this system settings at left side bar menu, and then you need to select Bluetooth and device. And on right pane, and then scroll down and then find this mouse, so click. So here at mouse, under here at scrolling, and then you need to select scroll inactive windows when hovering over them, and then we need to toggle off the settings. So on right side, you can see this button and toggle off. And after you toggle off the settings, and then under here at related settings, and then you need to select this additional mouse settings and pop-ups this mouse properties. And next step, and then you need to select this wheel tab. So click this wheel tab, and then make sure vertical and horizontal scrolling values aren't set to high. So it means you need to balance. So under at vertical scrolling, at roll the wheel should be and balance a number. So here is number 7, and then horizontal scrolling should be is number 4. So it should be balance a number here. All right. So once you set this, and then click apply and then click OK. And then once you do this at Windows settings and then close, and the other solutions we will do is to update your mouse driver. So all you have to do is to right click again on the Windows Start button and then select Device Manager. And once you open up this Device Manager, and the next step, so you need to select this View and then select this Show Hidden Devices. And once you do that, and then next step, so you need to select this mice and other pointing device. So click this arrow to expand and then select this HID compliant mouse. So we need to update. On how to update, so this driver, so you need to select and right click and then tap update driver. And we have two options to update the driver. One is the search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then we need to select this search automatically. So tap this settings and please wait. And then the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after here, and then close this device manager at here at start menu, and then we need to restart our PC. Alright, so click only this restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix infinite and automatic scrolling in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.